What if I told you that creating jaw-dropping content, the kind that stops people mid-scroll, is now easier than ever? And you don't need to be a designer, editor, or tech genius to do it. Yup, just 3 AI tools, and your content game will go from meh to million-dollar quality. Let me show you exactly how. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm George, and today I'm about to show you how I use 3 insane AI tools to create incredible content, faster, smarter, and better than ever before. Whether you're a YouTuber, Instagram creator, marketer, freelancer, or just someone who wants to level up your content, you're in for a treat. Let's jump in. Let's be real, content creation is hard. You've got to come up with ideas, write scripts, design thumbnails, record videos, edit like a pro, and somehow make it all look stunning, all while staying consistent across multiple platforms. Exhausting, right? But here's the kicker. Most creators give up, not because they lack talent, but because they don't have time or the right tools. That changes today. AI Powerhouse #1. ChatGPT, for planning, scripting, and brainstorming. Let's start with the brains behind your content. ChatGPT. Imagine having a full-time creative assistant that never sleeps, never complains, and gives you 100 ideas in 5 seconds. Here's how I use ChatGPT every single day. For video ideas. Feeling stuck? Type. Give me 10 video ideas for a productivity YouTube channel targeting freelancers. Boom. It gives you trending, tailored ideas, based on real-time data. For script writing. Once I pick an idea, I ask, write a 5-minute YouTube script in a casual tone explaining how to use Notion to stay organized. It gives me a full, clean draft that I can customize or even film right away. Want it punchier? Make this script more engaging with a strong hook and CTA. Done. For captions, blog posts, emails, all covered. I even use ChatGPT to write YouTube descriptions, Pinterest pin copy, or email newsletters based on my script. Simple example. Say you're making a tutorial on Canva. Ask, summarize this script into a Twitter thread with emojis and a call to action. It does the job. Instantly. No more blank screen syndrome. And the best part? It's like hiring a writer, strategist, and marketer for pennies. AI Powerhouse #2, Canva Magic Studio, for thumbnails, reels, and graphics. Now let's talk visuals. Because you can have the best script in the world. But if your thumbnail sucks, nobody's clicking. That's where Canva Magic Studio comes in. Not the old Canva. I'm talking about the AI-powered Canva that feels like Photoshop and Final Cut had a genius baby. For thumbnail generator magic design. You upload a screenshot of your video or a photo of yourself, and Magic Design gives you 10 ready-to-go thumbnail ideas. Text, layout, color combos, optimized for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, everything. Click, tweak, publish. Then, come to Magic Edit. Want to remove that awkward mic wire from your shirt? Just circle it and type, remove wire. Gone, clean, seamless. You can also do wild things like replace backgrounds with one prompt, change a person's outfit, add bokeh blur and generate cinematic color grading. No Photoshop, no plugins. Last Magic Animate, have static graphics, with one click animate them. It's perfect for Reels, Stories, TikToks. Example, you made a quote graphic, boom. Turn it into a 5-second vertical reel with auto music and motion. Even my clients think I use After Effects. Nope, it's Canva's AI doing the heavy lifting. AI Powerhouse #3, Pictory or InVideo for full video creation from text. Now here's where things get spicy. You have a script but no time to shoot, record voiceovers, or edit? Use Pictory or InVideo AI. These tools will turn your script into a full-blown video. Here's how it works. Paste your script. Choose a style. Modern, cinematic, vloggy, infographic. The AI auto-generates scenes, picks stock footage, adds captions, transitions, and even AI voiceovers. Yes, you heard that right. You can turn a blog post into a YouTube video without recording yourself. Let me give you a quick demo. I took a 400-word script on 3 AI tools for productivity. Pasted it into InVideo AI. In 3 minutes I had a full HD video, auto-generated subtitles, B-roll clips, background music, voiceover that sounded shockingly human. I only had to tweak 5% of it. For faceless channels, repurposing, or fast content production, this is a game changer. Bonus, branding kit. You can upload your own logo, fonts, and brand colors, so every video you make looks on brand. No design skills required. Now here's where things get spicy. You have a script but no time to shoot, record voiceovers, or edit? Use Pictory or InVideo AI. These tools will turn your script into a full-blown video. Here's how it works. Paste your script. Choose a style. Modern, cinematic, vloggy, infographic. The AI auto-generates scenes, picks stock footage, adds captions, transitions, and even AI voiceovers. Yes, you heard that right. You can turn a blog post into a YouTube video without recording yourself. Let me give you a quick demo. I took a 400-word script on 3 AI tools for productivity, pasted it into InVideo AI. In 3 minutes I had a full HD video, auto-generated subtitles, B-roll clips, background music, voiceover that sounded shockingly human. I only had to tweak 5% of it. For faceless channels, repurposing, or fast content production, this is a game changer. Bonus: branding kit. You can upload your own logo, fonts, and brand colors, so every video you make looks on brand. No design skills required. Let's recap real quick. ChatGPT is your brainstorming and writing partner. Canva Magic Studio is your design plus visuals expert. Pictory and InVideo AI is your production team in a box. Use these 3 in combo, and you've got a full-fledged content machine working 24/7, no burnout, no excuses. If you found this helpful, here's what I want you to do right now. Hit the like button. It tells YouTube this video was worth your time. Click subscribe, because I drop weekly content on AI tools, productivity hacks, and how to build content systems that scale. And let me know in the comments, which AI powerhouse are you most excited to try? Oh, and by the way, I've linked all 3 tools down below, with some exclusive free trials and bonuses, so don't miss out. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Whether you're just starting or you're a pro looking to scale your content, AI can be your unfair advantage. Next video, I'll show you how I automate an entire month of content using these tools in one single afternoon, so don't miss it. Catch you in the next one.